brochure, go to Canva app and input all the information. Apply all some pictures or images to make your brochure more attractive.
Brochure, our final. This is the front page. This is the mission, vision, and the core values of our university. This is the major offer in this day program. This is the content of our brochure. The campaign for grade 12 students to take up Quiz BA in our university. Thank you.
Open the Excel application and input all the needed data. When all the data is entered, click the total amount and go to formula bar. Type equal sign, open parentheses, click rate per day. Multiplication sign and click number of days, rendered, then close parentheses. Then go to total amount and drag down until to the last column. In computing the rate per minute, click rate per minute row, then go to formula bar. Type equal sign, open parentheses, top rate per day, divided by 8, close parentheses, divided by 60. Go to rate per minute column and drag down. And getting the total deduction, click the formula bar, type equal sign, open parentheses, top number of minute, then multiplication sign. Go to total column, then drag down.
In computing the total amount, go to formula bar, type equal sign, open parentheses, top total amount, subtraction sign, and top total. Then close parentheses and drag down. Drag down all the total amount and go to auto sum to get all the exact total amount of the salary. In computing the total deduction, go to formula bar, type equal sign, sum, open parentheses, then tap professional tax after drag down.
And getting the net amount received, go to formula bar, type equal sign, open parentheses, then tap total amount net from late. Subtraction sign, then click total deduction, then close parentheses after drag down. Click auto sum to total all the net amount received. In making the voucher, input first all the needed data. get the amount of budget utilization, request, and status, go to formula bar, type equal sign, open parentheses, then go to sheet 1. Tap the total amount net from late, then close parentheses. In computing the disbursement voucher, click amount, then go to formula bar, type equal sign, open parentheses, then go to sheet 1. Tap the total amount of government payroll, then close parentheses.